The Bible is all about the restored throne of David, which will be in Israel. And I would put it this way: the kingdom of God is in fact a restored Jewish, in the best sense, Messianic state in Israel. That does not mean that the present state of Israel is the kingdom of God. Let's be quite clear. Zionism is wrong. The rabbis know you cannot have the kingdom of God in the biblical sense while the Messiah is not there. And you can go to Jerusalem today and you will not find him sitting on the throne of David. It hasn't happened. Therefore, it's future. But when it does happen, as in Acts 1:6, the very excited disciples of Jesus, his own students, were saying, "Is it now finally?" They're breathtakingly asking this question. Is it now finally, in Acts 1:6, time for you to restore the kingdom to Israel? Marvelous question. Those were the properly instructed students of Jesus who asked that question. And Jesus did not reply by saying, "You idiots, you don't understand what you're talking about." He didn't say that. He says, not for you to know the time when that's going to happen. It's assumed by master and students that it's going to happen. It's only a question of timing. Now, Calvin, if you belong to a Reformed church, be careful with Calvin. Calvin says of that question there in Acts 1:6, there are more errors than there are words in that question. Calvin did not understand the kingdom gospel. Be careful then. If you're in a Reformed church, your pastor doesn't understand that Acts 1:6 is the right question and points to the definition of the kingdom as a restored, I'll say, Jewish state, in quotes if you like, because Jesus is a Jew, still is a Jew. There's a Jew at the right hand of the Father, as the Unitarian Sid Hatch used to say, and that kingdom is what you are all excited about, telling your friends, because it's the only thing that really matters, the vision of the future kingdom.